Hi, we're going to do a quick video on how to use the Rug Doctor. First thing you're going to do is fill it up. There's two ways to do this. We have a system that pre-mixes the water and the chemicals. So we have it pretty easy. We'll just turn this on here and fill it up. The other option is using the liquid you pour in here and along with water. Basically on this system, you'll just turn the knob on, hit the green button, and that'll fill it up. The red is more concentrated. The next step is you put this collecting unit in, so you fill it in the bottom. Lash that tight there. Make sure that filter's clean. You have to clean that filter once in a while. The next step is you have a button here that can go up and down, adjust it to the height that you like. About 3 or 4 setting. This is for upholstery, and this is for the carpet. It actually says it right on. So basically just turn that knob on. You will then press the red button. The red button, if you look near the bottom, will have the soap water come out here, and then a brush will go back and forth, scrub it, and then up here it sucks it in. So once you get done, once you let go of that red button, you got to pull this for about another 6 inches.
So you turn it on.
No more soapy water coming out of here, so that means you're done. You'll then take this, dump it out. Usually don't like to do it in the slop sink. I like to do it outside because it gets little fibers in here and that'll plug up your sink drain. Then you would reload this down here. Never use this bucket to load that. Always use a separate bucket if you're going to load it with the bucket. And when you store it, I always like to store it open. Okay, otherwise what happens, molds and all that will get in there and just kind of stink. You also might have a fuse that's back here, an on-off switch here, and then also a fuse on the plug.